Mario. And me, Luigi, we're gonna go to the park, but it's raining. So, let's go. There's the park. It's a little small. I know this. It's gonna swing. Whee! Why not, Luigi? Give it a try. Give it a try, Luigi. But the Mario, it's a wet. Just give it a try. Fine. Woohoo! Yeah. Woohoo! Ah! Okay. Let's go on this. Ah! Let's go. Whee! Whee! Ugh. I got the wet Mario. Let's try the slide. Whee! It's like a water slide. Yahoo! Try it, Luigi. I don't want to get all wet. Fine. It's like the water park. I'm stuck. Woohoo! Wait, I forgot about this thing. Woohoo! Wee! Try it, Luigi. Wee! What? That was so fun at the park. Yeah, it was. Let's go back to the home. What's that noise? So, bye-bye. See you soon.